Utkarsh Minds, Python for Data Science. Let us continue with our previous video on Pandas DataFrame. Open a new notebook and we will give the name lesson 15 Pandas joins and click on connect. So we will need to import the Pandas library first, and here I am creating two lists or two dictionaries. One will be having the name, so I will call it Raju and Ravi, and second I will give age, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this I will call as data 1. Then the second I will call as data 2. Here I will give the name as Raj and Shyam, and age I will keep as 10 and 20. And then we will make data frames from this data. So first will be df1 pandas dot data frame. So from data 1, and I will give the index as 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is for my data 1, and then I will create df2. df2 will be pandas dot data frame. This is data 2, and from index we will have keep as 2, 3, 6 and 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. Now we have got the two data frames. We can join these two together. We will write pandas concat. We will join the two data frames. One is df1 and other is df2. Then we will join by 1, which is the columns, and here I will write join as inner join, and we will see then what will be our result. Okay, so we will change this to 1, 2. So we have got the result that when both the frames are joined together and our join is inner join, that means only the common index, that is index 1, which is common in both the data frames, only that will be taken in the final result. That is the reason we did not get the other columns of both the data frames. So that is how inner join is working. Next we can see another way. We will have result 3, which will be let us say we have df1 dot append, and I can write df2. So data frame does not have the attribute append. Okay, so this we will skip. One more thing we can do is concat by ignoring the index. So I will write ignore index true. Now I have 0, 1 and 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, a data frame of 3 has been found. The common index, which is 1, is the only one where both have been joined with respect to the columns, and so all the 4 columns have values. These first 2 values come from the first data frame df1, the second 2 values come from df2. But for other rows, either df1 value is taken and df2 value is blank because this index 0 is not there in df2, or df1 value is blank and only df2 is taken because index number 2 is not in df1. This is how the concat operation will work. One more thing we can do is, if we give the axis as 0, then all are added or all are joined in rows, because axis 0 is rows, axis 1 is columns. So now we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Ignore index, we have these 4 new indices for the 2 tables which are joined by rows. One more useful operation is the merge operation. So let us see how we can combine the 2 as merge. So we have df1 and we have df2, and for merging we have to specify the column on the basis of which we will merge. Otherwise the default merge will be through the index, and since no index is common, none of the columns are having any column values. That is why merge was not possible. So we will change this. This time we will give the merge on column name, and we have to specify how. So this time we will specify inner, and there was no name common between the 2. So if you see the data, there is no name common, Raju, Ravi, Raj and Sham. So it did not work. Now I will keep one name common and I will do inner join. Let us see what will be the result. The name Raju is common in both the data frames. Since we are joining on basis of name, only this Raju will be retained. In first table the age is 1, in second table the age is 10. So df1 age is written as age underscore x and df2's age is age underscore y. So join is a very useful operation. It allows us to combine data from 2 different tables on the basis of a column. Same we can change and see the other types of join. One is the outer join. In this outer join, what results we will get? That name column, on the basis of the name column there are 3. One is Raju, one is Ravi and one is Sham. Raju is common to both the tables, but Ravi is not there in Y, whereas Sham is not there in X. One more thing we can do is the left. So in this, the left, that means df1 table which is on the left, only the rows of df1 will be taken, age present in df1, and if this name is also repeated in df2 then that age will be taken. But Ravi is not there in df2, so that age is not a number. What if I write as right? In that case, what we will get is that the right table df2, only data of df2 will be there. So in df2 table we have Raju and Sham. Their age is given from df2 table, but in df1 only Raju is there but Sham's age is not there, so not a number is the result of Sham's age. That is how this join operation works. or so merge and concat, these are very useful functions for combining different data frames. We will see more such applications of joins and merge in the next video. Thank you.